All right, after my 5th attempt here, I decided, it might be interesting for people to know how I come up with these different scale textures, or any brush for that matter. The first thing I have to do is figure out what it is that I'm going to use as my final rendering. So this takes a long time. It took me a total of 6 hours and 41 minutes over 5 days to figure out what the pattern is that I was going to use. And this one right here represents a pretty close approximation. But then I forgot some steps while I was trying to teach it, so I figured I needed to simplify it even further in order to get a good video. I hate it, I hate it, I hate it. I'll record this some other time.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going live. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. Back a year ago.
And once I have the concept down pat, I'm ready to actually create a video on how to make a particular pattern. And this is the pattern that you're going to get next Tuesday from when I post this video. I hope you enjoyed this little preview, and I hope you enjoyed the effort that I and other creators put in order to help teach you how to use the program. Do have a wonderful day.